Have you been looking at DoorLoop, but aren't sure if it's actually worth the price? On the surface, it looks like another property management platform, but there are a few features that genuinely make it stand out. At the same time, there's one area where it falls behind some competitors, and that could influence whether it's the right choice for your business. In this video, we'll cover the features, pricing, pros and cons, competitors, and who DoorLoop is best for. If you want to check out DoorLoop for yourself, you can learn more or schedule a free demo using our link below. One of DoorLoop's biggest strengths is bringing nearly every aspect of property management into one place. Instead of switching between spreadsheets, accounting software, messaging apps, and maintenance trackers, everything is centralized. You can collect rent online, manage leases, screen tenants, handle maintenance requests, communicate with tenants, generate financial reports, track expenses, manage owner statements, and monitor your entire portfolio all from one dashboard. Automation is another highlight. Automatic rent reminders, recurring charges, online lease signing, owner and tenant portals, maintenance workflows, and customizable notifications all help reduce repetitive work. DoorLoop also includes an AI assistant that makes it easier to learn the platform, answer questions, and quickly find the tools you're looking for. For busy landlords and property managers, those time saving features can make a noticeable difference in day to day operations. Pricing is based on the size of your portfolio and the features you need. As you move up through the available plans, you gain access to more advanced accounting tools, automation, reporting, and management capabilities. Certain online payment methods may also include transaction fees, so it's worth reviewing the pricing page to understand the overall cost based on how you plan to use the software. If you want to see the latest pricing or compare available plans, you can do that using our link below. As for the positives, DoorLoop is probably one of the easiest property management platforms to learn. The interface is clean, navigation is straightforward, and onboarding is designed to get you up and running quickly. The reporting tools are comprehensive, online rent collection is simple, tenant communication is built directly into the platform, and maintenance tracking helps keep work orders organized from start to finish. It's also encouraging to see the platform continue adding new features and AI powered tools that make the software even more capable over time. On the downside, some of the more advanced accounting workflows aren't quite as flexible as dedicated accounting software. Certain bank transfers can also take several business days to settle depending on payment timing, and larger property management companies with more complex financial operations may want additional accounting customization. While those limitations won't affect every user, they're worth considering if you manage a large portfolio or rely heavily on advanced financial reporting. Compared to competitors like Buildium, Appfolio, Tenant Cloud, Inago, and Rent Ready, DoorLoop focuses on delivering an easy to use all in one experience. Buildium and Appfolio tend to appeal to larger property management companies that need enterprise level functionality, while Tenant Cloud and Inago are attractive options for landlords looking for lower cost solutions. DoorLoop sits comfortably in the middle, combining modern automation, AI features, solid accounting tools, and an intuitive interface that works well for a wide range of property owners and managers. Overall, DoorLoop is an excellent fit for independent landlords, real estate investors, and small to mid sized property management companies that want to simplify day to day operations. It combines rent collection, accounting, leasing, maintenance, communication, and reporting into one polished platform, helping reduce manual work while keeping everything organized in a single place. If DoorLoop sounds like the right solution for your business, you can learn more or schedule a free demo using our link below. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give the video a like, Subscribe for more software reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.